everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and hello if you're new here. Today's video is a little bit different. I actually dyed my hair this morning. I gave myself some highlights and I used the L'Oreal Excellence 01 lightest blonde shade. You'll see in the next clip because I show you guys me doing my hair. So I hope you enjoy the video. I didn't do the usual technique of hair dyeing at home, so I didn't just put the whole bottle on my head and hope for the best. I like to use a hairbrush, so this is the finished look. As you can see, I like to have darker roots because I feel it's easier to maintain and just looks a little bit more natural. But yeah, this is the finished look. Got some blonde-ish highlights. And yeah, if you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. Please like and subscribe if you do, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Okay, so this is my hair before I dye it. It's still a bit ombre with the dark and the lights, but I just want to lighten it up. So I'm using this one today. I haven't actually used this dye before. I normally use the Holly Willoughby Garnier dye, but this one is a bit lighter, so we're gonna give it a go. In the box you get a developer cream. You also get this one, which you mix in with the cream and you shake it up. You get a conditioner. Oops. You get a shampoo and conditioner and then some gloves. And this brush, I'm not sure what that's for. The technique I like to do is to use a brush and separate your hair. So I just pick random sections to begin with. So then what I like to do is I take the brush, I then take the hair developer and I draw lines on the brush like so. Like that. And then like to hold the top and just brush through. So I brush like this, and then this gives much more of a highlighty effect than a block colour. So I just brush through that. I make sure I get the ends. Go back through with your brush, doing the same technique, and do the other side. I then like to just put a bit on the brush in lines again and just make sure you get all the ends. So yeah. And that's it. I just repeat the same steps with the next layer of hair. So I just use the same brush, brushing through, and you put lines. Like so. Okay, so when it's all brushed on, looks a bit crazy at the minute, but we just leave it on for 35 minutes, I think this one is. So I'll come back whenever I go to wash it off. So this is the finished look. I really like how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.